In this module, we will review the Enable Take Control Plus Technician Console and demonstrate how to download and log into the Technician Console. The Technician Console displays incoming support requests, establishes remote sessions, and opens chat sessions. The console is a separate application from the administrator area and must be downloaded. While the administrator area is designed to manage users, access, and devices, the Technician Console is designed for interaction. Receive and respond to help requests through the console. Remote into customers' devices or assign pending requests to other technicians. Add devices to customer accounts through a computer PIN code or installation link generated in the Technician Console. The console opens chats with clients and messages or calls with another technician. Session history is automatically logged and can be searched by customer, technician, date, and other criteria. Technicians may access some account settings and configure certain access rights in the console, but are limited to the permissions granted. Once downloaded, access the Technician Console from the administration area by clicking the console icon.